In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the row height in Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to tidy up your data presentation or simply need some extra space for your content, adjusting the row height is a straightforward process. So, let's dive right in and make your Google Sheets look organized and professional. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Sheet. This is where your data resides, and the layout is the focus of our tutorial today. Once your sheet is open, you might notice that the rows can sometimes look cramped, especially if you have cells with a lot of information. So, to give your data the space it needs, we'll start by learning how to adjust the row height directly. One of the simplest methods to change the row height is by using the click and drag technique. Hover your cursor over the line separating the row numbers on the left-hand side. Your cursor will change to a double-sided arrow. Click and drag the line to your desired height. This method is quick and gives you real-time feedback as you adjust the height, making it ideal for small tweaks. If you need to adjust the height of multiple rows to the same size, you can streamline the process. Start by selecting one or more row numbers on the left side of your sheet. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the numbers you want to adjust. Selecting multiple rows saves time and ensures consistency across your dataset. Once you've selected the rows, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers. A context menu will appear. Look through the options until you find Resize Rows. This menu option is your gateway to more precise control over row height. Clicking Resize Rows will bring up a dialog box. Here, you have the option to specify the exact pixel size you want for your rows. Input a number that best suits your needs. For those who require uniformity especially, this step is incredibly useful. After entering your desired row height in pixels, simply click OK. And just like that, your Google spreadsheet now has perfectly tailored row heights. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in your data presentation, making it more readable and easier to navigate. Thank you for following along. Now, your Google Sheets can be as organized and polished as you want. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to improve your productivity with Google Sheets. Happy organizing!